Muscle in the mirror, thunder in my chest. Every scar story, every loss a dead end. Short fuse, tall odds, whole room feels small. Steel in my veins, I'm built for the fall. Pressure on my neck, still walking tall. Bottom of the mountain, I'm laughing at the drop. Heartbeat hammering, I never ever stop. Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the doubt off. Watch it drop, bank on chop. Yeah, you know I'm all I got. Go long when the red line says to stop. Go long till the last breath, last. Chop, 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 rhythm in my blood, it knocks. Bank on chop, I'm the blade that never drops. Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls, no luck. Jawline concrete, back straight, locked in. The world tries to fold me, I just dig in. Weight on my shoulders, turn it into stars. Every hit I'm taking only sharpens up the rock. Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the fear off, let it chop. Bank on chop, put it all up in the shot. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long, hear the echo when I drop. Chop, 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 step by step I never stop. Bank on chop, cause I'll always beat the clock. Shut at the top, long at the base. But from the grind, not a pretty face. Short at the top, long where it counts. Stacking that strength, add it up, it mounts. Hey! Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the chains off, let them drop. Bank on chop, I'm the storm you can't outrun. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long till the heartbeat says I'm done. Chop, 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 crowd in my chest, it shouts. Bank on chop, bank on chop, bank on chop, 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 chop. Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so. And it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone. But they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get gold. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console. But I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I fell for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And I power of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen.
Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. See a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. I see it so clear. All my dreams right in front of me. Yeah, I see it so clear. I know what it takes, but I feel so far. So close, yet so far. I see it so clear. It's right there, but it feels so far. So close, yet so far. See, it starts with a spark. I mean, the real reason why you start trading in the first place, right? That little glimmer of hope, that vision you get of the life you want to live, that desire, the one you think about all the time, but it feels so far away. And the problem with this desire is that it creates anxiety, impatience, frustration, and ultimately pain. So close yet so far. 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 Now, in my experience, there's only one way to get what you want, to get to the life you want to live, and it's through Pain. The pain of self-reflection and truly understanding yourself. The pain of knowing that your only enemy is you. The pain of knowing that your emotions control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you can sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline.
So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. I gotta be in. The charge calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing out, it got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It's hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, 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 you gotta wait for confirmation.
Yeah, we call it the quick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Quick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move.
For your own trading decisions and outcomes, do your own research, and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Oh! Yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Raise hands up when
Look at the dump. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. TV.
most entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the
Keep on the strong stop losses at orb.
on the internet, yo.
first take here. How often do you hit like this, Max? Every fucking
Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max, and I'm with the one and only Logan, the CSO, baby, and we are live. It is June 9th, 9:29 in the morning, and we are about to have a great day. Logan, how are you feeling, Papa?
Doing good. Traded some pre-market with the students. We caught two beautiful PHP trades off rip. So we're up about a couple bands already in the morning. And now I'm getting ready to take a potential long here if we can keep pushing up. So we'll see what happens.
I know that's right. I like that a lot. We're going to be live here in about 15 seconds. I'm not going to lie. I braided my hair because I thought Coach was going to be on the show. So I'm twisted up all the way around right now. If you look, I'm twisted up.
Right.
My hair is braided for Coach, but I guess you'll do. I mean, you'll do fine.
Yeah.
Let's see. We got a nice wick. Little rejection here. There is no imbalance below, but it's definitely dumping. That's a big sell side imbalance fill right there. If it breaks this structure, I'm going to go short. If we break that 93 zone, I'm definitely going to go short here. That's just simple market structure 101. That's just market structure 101, but there's no imbalances or anything below to really target besides maybe like 644, which would be a very interesting short. I'm going to wait for this next candle here, but we're not getting enough data, but right now it's looking very tug of war, while SPX is just ripping to the upside.
Yeah, I still would prefer longs. I just got too much resistance down below. And if it dumps, it dumps. I just won't have any setups for me.
No, the long could absolutely happen the way SPX is ripping. I want to see it pop up a little bit more, maybe like 52, 54. And then I'm probably going to hit short. NQ is so weak. And I'm probably going to go short if that thing does hold. Let's see. I want to see SPX pop up to like 51, 52, just like that. And then I want to see the big rejection. There's a nice look. Okay. There's a nice look at it. Let's see right here. Okay. Market structure is 94 to 700. So if we break 700, don't be shy. NQ very weak. Here we go. There goes the 700. There goes the 94 market structure. Okay. Let's see what we get. Bang, bang. Dump it. I'm looking for a test of about 650. 650. That would be about 70, 80 points. Let's see if we can just liquefy. Wow. Here we go, chat. Here we fucking go, chat. Here we go. Give me the 650 in 2 minutes, baby. Let's call it a day. Give it to me. Let's go, chat. You can talk about it all day until you really fucking do it. And I always fucking do it. Let's go. Holding on to the short. Stop losses at break even. Don't get wicked out. That was the fastest 40, 50 points ever. And hold on. Almost stopped. Look, SPX tapping that 52 green while NQ is dumping. So I would love to see it pop up a little higher to 64, 65. And then that's the real confirmation of a short. I'm stopped out right here, baby. And you know I made 20 grand on the fucking trade right there. You know I made 20 bands right there. And I'm getting ready. Beautiful structure break. As long as it's below 700 to that 94, the short is still good here. I do want to see it come down and test that 640 to 650. So I'm probably going to look to possibly re-enter the short and get back in there. And let's get back in there. Let's get back in there like swimwear, baby. Let's see if we can get down to that 650, 640 range. That's what we're looking for. Come on, show daddy what he wants. There it is. Come on, new or low. Push a little bit lower. 40 to 50. That's all we need, chat, and we're done for the day. 40 to 50, baby. Come on. SPX, I just want to see that rejection candle off that 52. That's exactly what I called. Just like that. A little bit deeper. Oh, Haley Davies, I love you. Oh, the biggest fucking corn star in the world is in daddy's DMs this morning. There it is. Let's go. Let's go! Let's go! Fucking guy is insane! Fucking guy's insane! Let's go! 100 points in 4 minutes to start your day. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you 70,000 in profits, 4 minutes. The hottest porn star in the world's in my DMs. My cock is small, but my aura is so big.
Beat it. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Can't beat
Guys,
it.
have you ever seen anything as sexual as me?
No trades for me though. No trades for me though.
Hey Logan, what's going on, bud? Big Daddy
Love it.
Max here. I just wanted to, I really, really love that trade. And to be honest, the long might be good here now. It might be worth taking a look at a long. If we can push back up above the 90s, I might scalp a long for that BNR to 700. That would be that extra like 30, 40 points you really need to feel good about a day like today. So let's see if we can push back up in BNR to 700 right here, just like that, just like that. One more little push up, just like that. Literally, look at that. Look at that. Scalp that. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, Lucid Pros funded in 3 trades in 5 minutes. Lucid Pros funded in 5 minutes, 10,000 fucking dollars per account, just like that, live. Just like that, BNR up to 700, pushed up. I said that was the next 30 points you needed to really cap off the day. Can't keep doing this. You can't keep doing this. You can't keep doing. Look at the long. Look at the long. Look at the long. This is good. Invalidation back below 85 to 92. Oh, Lucid instant activation. Better get over there and instantly activate.
Lucid actually pushed me live last night.
Hey, my boy, bro, you've been rinsing them.
Yeah, I was waiting. I was very curious. I was like, at what point are they going to push me live? But after I've pulled out 60K in the last month from them,
Yeah,
so
bro,
I was like, okay.
you've been absolutely fucking rinsing them.
Yeah.
I'm like shocked. That's it. Wow, what a beautiful day. I'm not going to trade. My consistency is so fucked up on these accounts. So I'm up 16,500 on my accounts, and I need another 7,000 to pass them. So I'm going to keep rocking with those. We're going to see how far we can get, but that was a masterclass live. Guys, all I trade is candles in the morning. All I trade is candles, pivot points, and MVG. That's what I've been trading. I'm using MVG candles in the morning. If you want to know literally how I've been fucking crushing it every single morning, like for all these wild trades, it's literally just candles. Advanced candlestick reading and MVG.
Got high ATR. Candles are getting bigger. I'm
I
still
trade
waiting for this long.
3 minis. I trade 3 minis per trade. 3 minis per trade. SPX, beautiful breakout. I mean, this looks really bullish. NQ wildly behind. So I wouldn't be surprised if you see NQ actually pop at some point if it catches up. I wouldn't be surprised if you see a pop or SPX just dump because NQ is too strong. So you got to figure out when they line up, when the relative strength lines up, you're going to get yourself a nice, easy trade today. Look at this, bro. Look at this. And this is why people fuck with Lucid trading so much. I just traded these accounts live for you guys. Upgrade to funded. Look at that. Upgrade to funded already. And then all you got to do is hit click agreement. I have read and agreed. And boom, funded. I have read and agreed. Funded.
You can literally now send it And then if you get past the buffer, and then the next 2 days, you're good. You get a payout. And every 3 days, I ended up crushing the buffer and making such. So what I ended up doing is I made a shit ton of money early on, and then I needed to make $200 a day, and I would just get
Yeah, that's the best way to do it. That's the best way to
$200
do
a day,
it.
$2,500 payout every 3 days, nonstop.
Statistically, the best rate of success for that is exactly what you just described. Send it, go for it. And when you hit that big day, you're locked in on payday no matter what. You're getting paid no matter what. Beautiful. Beautiful job, chat. Looking a little berry again, huh? Looking a little berry again here. The market is not liking NQ is just not liking anything.
I'm not seeing anything right now. Obviously, as you guys know, I like the breakouts, momentum, PHP setups. I've got all these.
Hold on, the short looks good here with SPX dumping. The short looks good here, especially if it breaks down to that previous candle low. You might see 35 points right here. If SPX keeps dumping, you 100% might see 30 point drop right here. Look. Just like that. It was 20. Now you want to see maybe a little continuation. Now you might see it hit that candle low of about 50. You might see that 50 retest here. I'm going to scalp
live
that.
account on Lucid. They just pushed me live last night, so I don't know yet.
Look at this. Keep it going, Logan. Just under 5 bands on the fundeds.
There you go. There you go.
Keep it low. Keep it going, Poppy. Don't stop till you get enough. Come on. To the beat. Don't stop. Don't stop till you get enough. Come on. Right now, it's looking bullish, but it's actually probably presenting another short entry based on today's price action. That's probably another short entry look. If it dumps here, if SPX dumps down in this 3 bars, that's another short entry potential right here. So we'll see how that looks.
We've got existing home sales at 10, so that's why there might be some hesitation going on right now. 10 o'clock, we have
existing home sales.
Yeah.
What are they? What are they existing on?
So that's why we're probably getting some hesitation right now, and why I don't see any setups for me personally.
The chart going down. He says he's gonna change the world. No. So, yeah, let's talk about it, guys. I mean, I made a reaction video today. Someone commented on it. You may know her. Her name's Haley Davies. She's the biggest, the best in the country of Australia. She's phenomenal. And
showing red for me.
And she's amazing. So
yeah, I don't know who that is, but I saw the video and I thought that it doesn't really matter who she is. You know what I mean? She responded.
Buddy, who are you saying you don't know who that? Who you telling you don't know who that is? Me or yourself?
No, I swear. I swear.
Who that is.
I'm gonna find out. I'm not saying I'm not gonna find out.
Right.
I'm just saying,
okay. Let's just be honest.
Yeah. No, I don't. I
belong here.
I don't, but I'll find out. You know what I mean? Who the fuck is that? Coach doesn't know who that is either.
Coach doesn't know. What do you guys? You guys aren't men of culture. I mean, you hate Australia or something? Like, it's Haley Davies. You guys are really pissing me off. I like the long here. I like the long. It looks like this could be the breakout. It broke structure. It might fill that top wick right here. We could possibly see a newer high. It's looking really good. It's looking really, really good. Let's see if that keeps trailing. Yeah, that looks good. I like that. Took a little scalp right there. Go ahead and pop those funded.
Pop over 748.
Go ahead and pop those fundeds up to 6,000, just like that.
Not yet.
And I like that long.
Waiting, still waiting. I want this candle to turn yellow. How many
It's a full break. Beautiful. That's a full break in long right there. That looks good. Usually you see a little break and retest down, but that looks sexy right there.
We got the PHP signal. Print through 71. We're in.
Shit, I like that right there on that break of that high. That looks nice. Bam. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Somebody look at that. Somebody please look at that. Beautiful looking fucking trade. Oh my God. All right. All right. Here we go. Beautiful looking long chat. Oh my God. We're eating. All right. I'm done. I'm going to take that. Logan, 12,000 on the fundeds now.
That'll do it.
I'm done. I'm over trading. I'm so on point right now though that I'm like, let me keep trading. But no, that's not the right answer. It's not the right answer.
That makes sense.
Not the right answer, chat. I'm so hot right now that I'm like, let me just keep trading. But that's not the right answer, chat.
Love for this to stay bullish so I can get a trade in here. I want to get into this long.
That long is fucking sexy. That long is breaking out nice. SPX NQ finally caught up to SPX. This was the pop I was talking about. You're gonna have to see that NQ pop.
Right.
Broke structure at 19 is just gonna keep going. Now it's testing orb. Whoa, hold on. Now we're getting an orb break and retest of both
Almost
right here.
A little bit more of a print. Okay.
Hold on.
Get here. Let's see what
Now
we
we're
can
getting
get.
an orb print break and go, and I'm about to hit the long button maybe one more time, just because of that orb break right here. That might give us a little extra juice here. Hold on, let's see if we get a little push up.
See what we can get.
SPX holding orb and ripping.
Keep going. There we go. There we go. Keep pushing. Where's my next resistance level? I got so much room up. Okay, keep pumping. There's 10 points for us.
Yep.
Keep going. Keep pumping. I want to get up to like over 800. I'm talking like 815, 820.
There it goes.
There we go. There's 15 points. Keep going. Keep holding. Keep ripping. We like this. Keep going.
Go. I got to stop loss at break even.
Yep. I don't want to give away any of this. Keep pumping for us.
Nice.
There we go.
Nice.
20 more points. Beautiful.
Nice.
Keep going.
Unstoppable. Unfucking stoppable.
We like it. I want it to keep going though.
Pulled me there. Hold on. I actually got pulled out there. Cannot lie. I got pulled there, but I still like the long a lot.
I'm still holding. 20 points. Keep ripping. I want to get
there it goes. There it goes.
Beautiful. 30 points. Keep going. Keep going.
30 point long. There's another 100 points for you, chat. There's another fucking 100
40 points. 40 points. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Patience. Waiting for the setup. Here we go. Keep ripping. Give me 22. Put in all contracts heavy into profit. We're giving away none of this. Keep ripping. We're up 45 points. Boom, 22. We're up 50 fucking points. Let's go. Let's fucking go. We're ripping. Next trim is going to be at the 37 area. I'm moving contracts under this candle, giving away fucking none of this. None of this. We're up thousands of dollars on the accounts. Let's fucking go. Keep ripping.
So sexual. It's so sexual what we just did. What we just did is so sexual. So sexual.
Big Daddy Max, Logan CSO, doing it again. Woo! We're still ripping, guys. We're up fucking almost 60 points in this long.
Look at that breakout. Look at this breakout.
Ripping.
Bro, my first entry was at 713 with a 719 scale. And then Logan caught the rest all the way up. Look at this, chat. Look at this. Daddy fucking bottom took the short. And then look at the entries. Look at all the re-entries. Rode the fucking long, Daddy.
Let's fucking go. Still in the straight.
How you do it, chat? I think this got more room to go, Logan. I think you're about to get paid. I think this got way more room to go, baby. I think you're about to get paid. Don't forget, We got 200 more points to eat up.
I've got just 5 micros left in this. Contracts, chilling, rolling, up heavy in profit, trimmed half of my cons. We're good. We're chilling. I don't give a fuck what happens. Right. Next trim is here, the 37. This is the 37. I want my next trim. Bang. Next trim. Moving up. We're up fucking 70 points right now on this. Going.
Keep holding. Keep holding. Keep holding. You're going. You're going. Keep holding. Keep holding. Get paid.
Hands off. Now we're just trailing. Hands off. Now we're just trailing.
Just get paid. When Logan gets stopped out, I want to see the craziest profit roll call I've ever fucking seen, because we just called out 300 plus points in 19 minutes. Me and Javi called out 260 in like fucking 12 minutes. I want to see it, bro. All y'all better be making breach. There's no way you're not letting your friends and family and anyone you know who trades tap in to the Big Daddy fucking morning show. Look at Logan, the CSO, absolutely cruising. Bro, you're about to hit what, 80 points? Fuck, it's going.
I'm at 75 right now, 75 points.
Logan, let my boy get a 100-pointer. All we need is what, 25 more points? At 65, my boy's got, at 70, my boy's got a fucking 100-point banger. Give my boy 100 points.
Ripping. I'm going to be my stop loss right at 810. 810. Giveaway. None of this. 810.
YouTube. You like what you see? You like what you fucking see?
Let's fucking
Do me
go.
a favor, YouTube. I'm about to start doing giveaways right now. All we need for you to do is hit that.
Bang, and I'm out. The official number on the funded accounts, $26,000 on my funded accounts. I do this fucking every day. Me and Big Daddy Max, easy fucking money. You guys wonder why I'm getting pushed live everywhere. You guys wonder why I have over $110,000 verified payouts in one fucking month. Boom, right there.
You know what's really impressive about your system? That you really do wait for your system, because you could have taken the long with me at the 19 break or the 48, and you didn't take that at all. You waited all the way till PHP 71 break of orb and played your system and still got paid 70 points. That's actually phenomenal level of discipline you've been showing recently. I'm very proud of you, because that's hard to do. It's hard to come up here on stage with me and not want to click the button with me. And
I'll be honest. In the past, I was very guilty of it, right? You mean you hear Big Daddy Max and Lama fucking calling out bangers, all you want to do is FOMO into it. But I know I have to stick to what works best for me, and I just had to be patient for the setup. And I'm also a momentum trader. There's plenty of times when you, Lama and Javi will get into a trade, and I'll get in a little bit later, and then I'll just ride it out. And that's what works best for me.
The momentum was good there. The shit was strong. Let me
roll call.
Let me get a profit roll call, baby. It's the greatest day. All I need is Haley to slide in my DM.
Let's go. Aniki, I need to hear some music. When we're doing this.
Let's go, baby. Get hype. Oh, she reposted my shit.
Yeah, she stored it too, I think. Let's go. 26,000 live trading with Big Daddy Max. Massive profit roll call every fucking morning. This is what we do. Let's fucking go.
Still walking tall. Bottom of the mountain, I'm laughing at the drop. Heartbeat hammering, I never ever stop.
Go long
from the bottom to the top. Every limit gonna pop. Chop.
Put them profits in the motherfucking chat, baby.
I'm all I got. When the red line says to stop. Go till the last breath. Chop. Rhythm in my blood, it knocks bank on chop. I'm the blade that never drops. Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls, no luck. Jawline concrete, back straight locked in. The world tries to fold me. I just dig in, weight on my shoulders.
Like from the start, I wanted the Lama.
Turn it into
Oh,
stone.
it was perfect.
Every hit I'm taking. Only sharpens up the
Haley, if you're watching this, baby,
whoa,
I got a little picture for you.
long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 chop. Cut the fear off, let it chop. Bank on chop, put it all up in the shot. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long, hear the echo when I drop. Chop, 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 chop. Step by step, I never stop. Bank on chop, cause I'll always beat the clock. Shot at the top, long at the base. But from the grind, not a pretty face. Short at the top, long where it counts. Stacking that strength, add it up, it mounts.
It's a good short right now. It's a very good PHP short, but I'm done. I'm happy. I'm good. One and done for me. Look at this jump.
Breezy back in.
Another Tradeify $1,000 payout. Alpha, I'm about to pull out 10K. Apex, probably another. Actually, Apex, I might pull out 25K into this week.
It's fucking so easy.
So fucking sick.
That was funny enough. That was the same, almost the same setup that I had Monday when we did this, except for it was a short. I waited. High ATR, big trade setup, dump. Same thing today. Wait. High ATR, long. Same setup for me, just opposite directions.
Ooh, I got caught on one of my CSPs, and I have purchased 100 shares of the Qs. But now the market ripped the last 2 days, so I purchased 100 shares of the Qs, and they're immediately up. Oh wow, it's like buying the fucking dip. I'm up 3%, $1,800 on my Qs. I like that. So it's time to
Like
sell
that.
some covered calls, baby. Time to sell some covered calls and get to work. Get to work, chat. Fucking A. What a feel like the dopamine's falling down a little bit. And I can't allow that. So I think the only
Yeah,
right thing to do is to start dropping fucking lucid loot boxes like a madman.
Right.
Let's get to work, chat. Let's get to work. YouTube, are you ready? Let's get ready on the YouTube. Ready on that YouTube. Hit that like button if you guys appreciate the show, appreciate the Big Daddy Morning Show, the Max Options Trading Network. Logan, the CSO, is here, baby. Let's fucking get some likes on that YouTube chat. Run them likes up for me real quick because we're about to drop, I don't know, 5 lucid loot boxes, 7 lucid loot boxes, 10, 12. I don't really give a fuck because of the amount of breach I just hit. So let's get to work. P2P is fire today. P2P is fire every day, baby. If you're following P2P as well, that is one of the easiest P2Ps in the game. You know, Coach went berserk last night on London, on Asia, and this morning. Coach is a fucking killer. Giveaway 150 seconds on the clock. Code word is lucid. Code word is lucid. Lucid trading, baby, is live. Type in the word lucid on the YouTube and you get the chance to win a lucid loot box up to 100K direct to funded, baby. Make sure you guys type that shit on the YouTube. Type it on the YouTube. YouTube only. YouTube only. God. All of you new guys. Where's the little photo? Where's the photo? Hey, retard, it's on YouTube only. We need to get that back. So, Logan, I hope today was more of an eye-opening experience for you, because I need you to know that, one, you met a porn star once, right? And everyone knows she's the queen of Miami, a Bella Danger, and
Right. And I approached the situation very awkwardly and unintentionally made it look like I was filming her. Correct. Yep. Wasn't my best moment. Accidentally had my flashlight on my phone out when I pulled it out of my pocket, and it looked really bad. It looked bad. I would never record somebody without their permission. It looked that way. I thought Lama was doing it. He wasn't doing it. He was saying, "No, Logan, you're a dumbass. Your phone light is on." And it looked really bad. Wasn't my intentions. So now I look like a fucking creep, but you live and you learn. So now I'm just not bringing my phone anywhere I go. And you're going to have to contact me through Pigeon or mail. Just not bringing my phone anywhere.
So we learned a lot from that experience. And it was like,
Right.
next time we see an absolute fucking dime piece actress like that, we got to do better as a team.
Right.
We got to do better as a team. So me doing this video today, getting insta replied and insta shared, and then her asking me how much my my long is. That's the quality we're going for. That's the quality we're going for when we talk to actresses.
Right. I'm taking notes. Right.
Right. And then I said,
more motion than I do. So I have to take notes. I've accepted that.
And I love. Here we go. Look at the response. She said, "So tell me, Big Daddy, how many RR is your long?" And I was confused because I said, "Well, my Rolls Royce Cullinan Mansory RR or my orb trading carrying a 3-to-1 RR? Come find out." And that's when I realized I have the most aura in this entire fucking field right now. Congratulations, future ET Fidelis. Future ET Fidelis. Congratulations. Congratulations. You just won a Lucid loot box, baby.
Yeah, no,
You like that, Coach? You like that shit, Coach? I'm in my robe today, and Margie actually called it. I don't think I've ever lost wearing my robe. I think I'm undefeated in the robe. Not only in the robe, I got the jewelry on because I'm a pimp. Clearly pimping these hoes. And Sam braided my hair because I thought Coach was coming on the show today. So I was going to do a bunch of black jokes about my braided hair. But now I could just say that I'm a Viking or something because Logan's here. Now I'm just going to go with the Viking drip. And I just need a band, a little rubber band right here. And I'm Vikinged up. Is that a BDM robe? Ooh. Oh, we should get the X.
Good idea.
Yo, that's a good idea. Get this guy a free indicator. Mods. This guy. Mods, get this guy a free indicator. Rex FX Carlos. Get Carlos a free indicator. No good. Man, I love that shit. We all need to repost her story to show her that you guys should collab. Chat, you guys need to back me up right here, chat. I need you. Chat, I need you. What are we doing here? What are we even talking about? I need you guys to get on there. And if you go to Twitter, you could really see who she is. Like, really see who she is. I've seen most of it already, but I need you guys to get on the gram and just be like, "Oh my, yo, Haley, like you don't even know what kind of collab you're missing out on." And then you guys need to make up stories. You need to be like, "Big Daddy Max saved my family from a burning house. Big Daddy Max once gave my dog CPR and saved the dog's life. My grandma fell once and Big Daddy Max carried her 5 miles to the hospital to saved her life." You guys need to get on my gram. You need to get on the gram and start hyping me up, chat. What are we doing right now? Hold on.
We need to get her on an upcoming podcast. She's a trader, right?
She's
all I know about her is she's a trader. So you need to get her on an upcoming podcast.
Oh, I'm saying, bro. Hold on. Let me get the link. Chat. Here. You get on this Instagram. I need y'all to hype me up. Tell her to make up some crazy shit. I just watched Big Daddy Max make 100 bands in minutes, and he said he wants to blow it on you. I just Big Daddy Max saved me from a priest molesting me, and Okay, well, not that far, but you could not that far, Jay Hools. And then he start. Okay, let's get a band going on Jay Hooligan. Let's get a band going on Jay Hooligan.
That's that. Okay. Yeah.
Thanks for the longs. CSO, Big Daddy Max. Free Discord, fuck boys. I like that out of you, Frankie. Shout out Frankie on the Instagram with the repost. Hey, Haley Davies. If you don't know this, there was a school of children one day that were about to drown, and Big Daddy Max drank all the water. And then follow it up with, would you ever sell your bathwater? I'm not proud of myself, chat, but I want to get this off my chest. There's been something I've been holding in. There's just something I've been holding in for a while. I want to get this off my chest. I tried to buy the Sydney Sweeney bath soap. As soon as I
Oh, that
found
one
out,
it fell out too quick.
Sydney Sweeney bath soap. Remember that? And then they sold out. It sold out instantly. But I was on there. Trying to buy the Sydney Sweeney soap, and I didn't get it. So it was devastating.
Crazy. Wasn't there some other actress that was selling like liquid or something? There's like a
They all do
actress.
some kind of. There's always some kind of funky like liquid being sold, farts in a jar. I know a chick, bro. I actually know a chick who got rich, selling her socks. She was a foot actress doing weird shit with her feet, and she would then put socks on and do stuff, and she would sell her socks. She made 400 bands in a year. Bro, are you doing your hair like me? Yo, let's go. You kind of look like me too if I was gay and had a nose ring on. I fuck with you, MIP. Someone said Lama's not here because he pulled his groin, ripped backs. No, Lama's not here because of his diabetes. He's been struggling with his diabetes. You guys know he's been on Ozempic for 7 months. So he lost the weight, but then his blood sugar was actually a little fucked up. We love Lama, but his diabetes. Oh, hey, bud, how's your vacation going?
Good, brother. All good. All good. What you guys doing?
Just finished hitting 310 points, and we're just kind of vibing.
I like that out of you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I respect that.
Let's get another giveaway going on the YouTube. 50 seconds on the clock.
Yeah.
Let's
The
get
boys are
another
live.
giveaway going on the YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get another one going. Top giveaway 150. Code word
What's chat talking
Lama.
about?
Code word Lama. LAMA. LAMA is live. Code word Lama is live. Type in the word Lama on YouTube for your chance to win 100 per giveaway. So what's up, you fat bitch?
Chilling, boys. Just swinging by. I was just seeing the boys caught some of this crazy move, and then I heard that I was just listening, just bystander.
Did you hear about the girl who responded to Max's Instagram?
Haley Davis?
She responded to him.
No, she didn't. What'd she say?
She responded and said, "How big is your RR?"
1-to-1. 1-to-1, maybe. I don't know.
Maybe negative R multiple, but that doesn't matter.
Maybe negative R multiple. I don't know. It's not worth the risk.
That doesn't matter. Dude, you fucking. And then there's me. I'm putting flashlights.
They don't have it for this.
It's impressive, boys. All right, well, I just wanted to swing by. I'll be back soon.
Max, your mic.
Yeah, he's muted.
Mike, your mic is fucked up, Max.
Yeah, I can't hear you. No, I can't hear him at all. I think he thinks we're trolling, but like we're not trolling.
No, seriously, your shit's actually not working. No, I'm dead
Dan,
serious.
turn on the sound.
Oh, now
There
you're
it is.
good. Now,
Dan, turn on the sound.
no, you're good now. You're good now.
Oh, I'm good now. Shocker. When I went to press you pussies. Lama, did you see Haley Davies slide into my shit real quick like that?
No. Haley Davis hit you. What'd she say? Is there a screenshot? I'm looking in the chat.
Yeah, she's looking at. She said, "So tell me, Big
So
Daddy,
tell me.
how many RR is your long?" And
Oh
then you know
my.
what? And then, bro, listen, I've been taking this out of Lama Academy. Bro,
Yeah,
look,
what'd you say? What'd you say?
look.
What'd you say?
Read what I wrote. Read what I wrote, twin. Look.
What do I go look on Instagram? Are they gonna
No,
throw it in
look
the
at the
chat, bro?
chat.
Like, what's going on? My Rolls Royce Cullinan Mansory RR or my Orb trading carrying a 3-to-1? Come find out.
Hey.
Regular. Regular. Y un poco de agua.
I'm not gonna lie, you killed it right there, young cracker. I fuck with you.
I know that's right. Lucy's got my back. Lucy wrote, Haley Davies, Big Daddy Max saved all the children in my area from starvation by giving them free food from his lunchbox.
I like that. I like that.
What do you mean by my lunchbox?
Did you
What
order
do you mean?
your
I think he meant the lunchbox is big. All right, chat. So here's what we're doing. Three accounts are getting given away, or we're giving away 3 accounts to the top 3 best replies to Haley Davis about how Max is filthy rich and has a micropene, but at least he's filthy rich.
Oh, I already said
3
my
accounts
shit
getting given away.
I said my
I better
shit
see 1,000 comments by the end of the day.
So my aura is extra big.
Exactly. Hey, Haley, Max is great. He saved me from testicles cancer, sucking the rotten blood. Respectable.
Disgusting. You're a sick fuck. No, that's disgusting. Get him out of here. You're disgusting.
Respectable. But shit, boys, I gotta get up out of here. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Love you,
I'll be back soon.
We'll see you soon. Hey, Discord, get ready. Hey, look, the Discord's not even ready for this. Watch this. Free loot box in the chat. Free loot box in the chat. See who gets it. Oh, Discord, you're not on your toes. Oh, Discord, not ready. Not pay attention. Big Daddy Max, drop a root box. Oh, Discord not ready. Big Daddy Max, drop a root box. Hello. Damn, we're fucking dumping. The fuck just happened? Oh, Big Daddy, drop a root box. Nobody ready in the chat. Oh, chat, you're not ready, Max, so fast. Invalid key means someone already claimed it, twin. My bump is bigger than Haley Davies. What does that mean? What does that mean?
This is fucking Nick, dude. Nick and his autism, dude. What does
That's
that
the
mean?
look I was going for, bro. That's the look I was going for with Coach. That with the robe, the X on the robe. Sam, please find an embroidery company who can put the X on my robe. Gotta get a black one. Well, we already have Coach. We don't want to have too many. Drop those panties. How about that? Drop them draws. All right, there's another in the chat. Bang, there's another in the chat. You're not ready for it. There's another in the chat. Good luck. Big Daddy Max, you're the GOAT of Orb. I need help. Where you from? Max, please. A friend Lombat. Where are you from? Are you from Africa or Asia? Let's start there. $4.99 dono
Max, I
from
can't thank
Rusty
you enough. Been trading
Balls.
for 3 months after today. I
Max,
am
I
now
can't thank you
eligible for my
enough.
first
Been trading
payout
for
through
3
Apex. You are the
months.
GOAT.
After today, I am now eligible for my first payout through Apex. Ladies and gentlemen, on the YouTube, W's on the YouTube for Rusty Balls 8525. W's on the YouTube for Rusty. Rusty! I'm proud of you, baby, but we did nothing there. That was all you. Damn, did PHP just go fucking berserk on the screen?
It's shorting again. Another setup. The last 3 shorts have just been beautiful PHP setups. But I'm done.
Congratulations, Rusty Balls. All right, YouTube, do me a favor. Let's get those likes up, baby. Let's get those likes up over 400 real quick. Let's hit those likes. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drop another giveaway. I'm just going to keep doing giveaways until 11 o'clock. I mean, it's only 10:15, but like, fuck it. Why not?
I like that.
Fuck it. Why not, chat? Fuck it. Let's do giveaway. We're going to do 180 seconds on the clock. Code word is the GOAT, BDM. BDM, type in the word BDM. BDM has started on the YouTube. You type in the word BDM. BDM on the YouTube. And you have the chance to win a Lucid loot box. I don't know what's up with all these people from FFN's gamer tag, but are you guys retarded? It's on the YouTube. Snipe the box. Thank you. With a 50K flex. Nice snipe, boy. Nice snipe. Good shit, twin. That's a big snipe, 50K flex. Dan, you grab me a bubble? You grab me a LaCroix, please? Bro, I'm on cloud 9 right now, the way my trading has been going. I was just telling Dan and Sam the stats. If you've been following the Big Daddy Morning Show for the last 8 days, you should be eligible for your second max payout right now. And if you're copy trading, think about that, chat. If you just been literally following me for the last 8 days, you should be eligible for your second max allocation payout across whatever you're doing. So where do you put the loot box codes into? We're throwing randoms on YouTube, and I'm dropping randoms in the chat.
I just got to figure out, like, because now that I'm getting pushed live with all these accounts, I gotta. You don't want to copy trade them, so I can't do that. Like, I don't know what to do anymore. I just trade individual accounts, just one a day, I guess. Go back to the old ways. Just start doing it like that again.
No, don't change a thing. Honestly, I mean, like, just take the board route. Don't change a thing.
We'll see. We'll see how. I'm very curious how Lucid's live accounts work. Their setup. I hear a lot of good things about Lucid's live, so I'm looking forward to it.
I mean, Lucid's live is definitely gotten a lot better. They're really nice. Luca has only live now too. Yep, and he said it's great. That's great. My boy Luca's live too, bro. Isn't it fire that I think Coach is the only one. Coach is the only one. No, Coach and Lama, but me, Javi, Logan, and Luca are live across. Luca, how many firms are you live with now? Four live for Javi. Luca's live with 3. I'm currently live with 3, and now Logan is live with his 3rd.
Fourth.
Bro,
TPT.
you guys don't put enough respect on the power hour. You know what that tells me? Y'all don't put enough respect on the power hour. Them boys are live with 4 props. Holy shit, what just happened to the market?
PHP dumping.
Yeah,
42 ATR. The fucking candles are huge right now.
Yeah, that thing just shit the fucking bed. Oh my God. Wow. What a dump, a thon that is. I mean, just to give up all those gains and more. SPX still green somehow. SPX still holding on for dear life.
Logan, how many payouts with Lucid till they pushed you live? Well, okay. I don't know how much this is. I'll let you do the math. This is between just May and June. So if you want to do the math there.
Look at the volatility here. Wow.
Whatever that
This
is.
is thick.
That's just between the last 2 months. So that's 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K, around 40 or 50K in the last 2 months. Oh, not even the last 2 months. That's actually the last
out
month.
here talking about the golden pocket. What you know about the golden pocket?
It's actually
What
technically
you know
only a
about-
month.
Sexy Lexi out here talking about a golden pocket. Sheesh. My boy Ricky just made 40K on the fundeds and for the payout.
Wow.
Jeez. Big Daddy Max, I've been CSO class for 3 weeks now, and I can't stop passing accounts. Just passed another one. Twin, that's the craziest shit I've ever heard, bro. Listen, I'm having a problem. What's your problem? I can't stop passing accounts.
Let's go.
Big Daddy Max, do you think the big boy pushing the market down for SpaceX? No, I don't believe in that bullshit, that speculation for the SpaceX IPO. Now, the SpaceX IPO is a very big thing because it's the largest American IPO in history. But do we really think the entire stock market collapse is going to happen because of what Elon Musk doing some fucking shit? No, guys, that's kind of retarded. The market's probably dumping because we're at fucking war. And because people are going to be losing a gajillion jobs to AI. AP Trades with an $8 dono. Thanks for the trading and entertainment. Buy the staff a cup of coffee. Thank you so much. $8. You're the man, brother.
What?
Thank you so much.
Do I already have my live accounts with Lucid now? Are they that fast?
Haley Davies, Max saved my cat from a burning building. Just watched Max hit 200 points. It saved my life. I once seen Max come into the inner city of Africa and paid for school lunches for a year. Max saved my dog from a tapeworm. He paid over 50K for the surgery. Wow.
Yo,
these are good.
Max, this is very impressive. I've never seen a prop firm do this. I showed you the email. Last night, 9 p.m., Lucid shot me an email to go live. Right now, this morning, all 5 live accounts are ready to trade.
What?
I'm not even kidding. My live accounts, I just logged in. Look at this. These are my live accounts.
You have 5 live accounts right now from Lucid?
5 live accounts loaded with Lucid after approving me going live with them yesterday. Look at that, instantly. Just posted it in the chat. I have never heard of a prop that quick setting up your live accounts. That is impressive.
The only one that used to do that was TPT. TPT, if you had Pro Pluses, they would reload them that day. What the fuck?
I finished the documentation this morning, Max, and they're already got me set up. You can't beat that. That is so impressive by Lucid. I've got 5 fresh.
I'm gonna tell you guys right now. I'm gonna say something. I'm gonna call my shot. Top Step is the biggest firm in the world by far. Top Step is the biggest firm in the world. Apex Trader, Take Profit. Those 3 are they're way up there. Like they're way. Like Top Step is light years, and Apex, a goated. Apex is about to hit $1 billion in payouts. I'm gonna tell you guys right now. By the end of 2026, Lucid Trading is going to be at the top there with those guys. Lucid Trading is going to be at the top there with those guys. It's going to be like it's going to be some crazy firms up there. Lucid Trading is going to be one of them because they're fucking insane, bro. I've never seen a company do that. STP with a $50 buy me a coffee. I told you I was on the brink of becoming profitable, and I'm getting a max payout of 2K from FFF for the 2nd week in a row now. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Bro, these fucking donos, you see that? That's why we do this shit, bro. That's why we do this shit right there. Life changing with prop firms, guys. We're changing lives with fucking prop firms, guys. After getting scammed by 4 bands by fake gurus pushing worthless courses, BDM's given me a real opportunity. I've now received 4 payouts totaling far more than what I've lost. Congratulations, Boom Shot. And you know what? That fucking sucks you got scammed, bro. That sucks you got scammed. You know what? Open up a support ticket. This guy, Boom Shot, open up a support ticket. Go ahead and grab any 2 indicators you want for a month. Go ahead and grab any 2 indicators you want for an entire month because that's unfortunate. You got fucked over by these these losers that did you dirty like that, my boy. So let's see if we can keep the success going, and let's see if we can help you out even further. I got scammed. No, I got scammed. Yeah, I got scammed too. Look. We only help one scammer a day. We're gonna do okay. We're gonna do some Hope Core content too. Very soon.
I'm not trading these accounts though. I'm happy they're set up, but I'm one and done for the morning. So that's fucking sick. I can't believe I've never seen that instantly ready. Impressive work. Blow them. No shot. I'm not fucking touching them this morning. Nope.
Dude, be a fucking man. Go long right now. Max out. Max cons. You know what, Logan. You know what to do. Bro, no, he's fighting the urge. He's like, oh God. Oh God. Bluesy with $30. This shit's starting to click. Payout's been rolling in. Let's go. $30 dono to the staff. Very nice of you guys. Thank you so much. Very nice. Let's get a band going on June's. Let's get a band going on June's. I was in Normandy, you piece of shit, doing the D-Day reenactment jump, and you fucking make me a fat Jew. I am a fat Jew. All right, so you didn't really make me one, but how dare you make me a fat soldier? How dare you make me a fat soldier? Let's get that one on the X. I hate my motherfucking chat. I was a paratrooper. God damn it. Let's get that one on the end. My mayor is Muslim. My bagels are Jewish. My Christians Dior. Knicks are not winning in 4, baby. Wemby came back and put hands on them last night. Wemby came back in full force, and he did his thing. It was very impressive. Is that me skydiving with shit flowing out of my ass? What the fuck is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? So what do? You type in a prompt, make Max fat as fuck, flying out of an airplane, and he's shitting himself everywhere? Like, that's what you're sitting there typing into your computer? Piece of shit. All right, let's get to work. YouTube, who's ready for another giveaway? I see we got 400 likes. Who wants another giveaway on the YouTube? Let's get to work, baby. Giveaway. 180 seconds on the clock. The code word is Logan CSO. Logan CSO is live on the YouTube right now. Go ahead and type in the word Logan CSO on the YouTube for your chance to win a Lucid loot box up to 100K directive funded. Apparently live instantly, funded instantly.
Crazy. I get the past instant funding, instant live. It's so impressive. Like instantaneous.
Love it.
I wonder. Now the next thing I'm curious to see is how fast that daily payout hits now. That's the next one I'm curious about, how fast they do that.
That's I know on the cash accounts, that shit was always instant for me. Yeah. I've never done it with Lucid yet. I will get to their live. Whoa, look at the robe. Oh my God. I need that. Where'd you get that? Where is that from? Is that AI?
Yeah.
Bro. Sam, take this photo. Get this photo to Sammy. You got it? Get that photo. Let's send that off to, who could do that for me? Ross. No, Ross can. I don't want the tag behind my neck. That would be miserable. Remove that one. Yeah, but the rest of these, I'll get you the contact guy. He's in Deerfield. You just drop it off at his crib. He'll embroider all that, or sew, or whatever they do. He's got like the machines. They'll put all that on, and I bet I could sell these. Guys, you want me to make 50 of these in 4XL? You guys want me to make 50 of these in 4XL and drop it as a limited Big Daddy robe drop? Only in 4XL, though. That's the thing. I will never drop merch less than my size. So if you guys buy MOT gear that's coming out soon, we're doing a limited drop, only 100 pieces. they're all going to be in 3XL. You guys know that, right? That's the thing. That's the twist. So if you're a little skinny bitch like Nick the Lesbian and you're walking around in a 3XL shirt, people are like, "What's up with your shirt?" You're like, "Oh, this fucking guy. He only does limited drops, but it's fucking 3XL every time." That would be funny as fuck. Yeah. Imagine all these fine women walking around. Actually, women would look pretty. I think women look hot with oversized tees on.
Oversized stuff. Yeah.
I think women look so hot with oversized tees on. So the women would probably be in good shape. Who put Llama on the table like that? Get him off. Jay Hooligan, we ain't gonna do that to my boy. He ain't even here to defend himself. I'm gonna repost it though. I'm gonna repost it a couple of times. My boy ain't even here to defend himself. Don't worry, we're a family of 6. We can wrap ourselves together at like a movie at night. What does that even mean? Who is the guy in the photo with me there, Jay Hool? Who is that supposed to be? Is that supposed to be my dad? Hogan? What's Hogan? Congratulations, Tim Bryant, 3775. Tim Bryant, 3775. You just won a Lucid Loot Box. Congratulations. In the arms of a fat pool. So how do I cash in on it? On what? Are you Tim Bryant? Open a support ticket and prove you're Tim Bryant. And when you prove you're Tim Bryant, the mods will give you a loot box. Mods, how many accounts was that? How many accounts was that? Four more left? 4 more root box refs? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you're saying is we're going to bring up a random person now and see who wins. Let's get a random giveaway number going. 900 people in the cord.
When Lama
Random
coming
number
back?
7. Wow, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jess in the front row. Jess in the front row. Come on up. Jess. Guys, I don't know why you keep spamming numbers and doing stupid shit. We don't do that here. Jess in the front row. Come on up, girl. Come on up, girl. MQ, my bitch. Why is my profile picture, your profile picture, me shooting while eating a hot dog? What the fuck? What the fuck? What's wrong with you people? What's wrong with you people? We got a dono on the YouTube, $2 when Llama coming back. Hopefully soon. Hopefully soon, Llama will be back. I don't know. It depends on the tariffs. They have to weigh him and ship him in a cargo ship. And so it really depends on the tariffs and what time he can clear customs. Because you're not allowed to bring.
And then like, because I got to put him on one of those vessels, and he had to go through the Hormuz Strait. And when he was going through the Hormuz Strait, because they have to tie him down with all the other shipping containers. And so when he's going through the Hormuz Strait, we have a whole fucking war going on. So then it's like the USA, it's like, I don't know if we want to claim that much, the tariffs and the import tax of this much.
A lot of import tax.
Yeah. Right. And so there's this huge debate, and Iran's like, well, we don't want to deal with that. Like, you guys can have this one. It's like, well, you guys have been taking all the other ships, but you're not going to take this one.
Right.
And so there's this huge, issue that's going on right now. So
you guys, how much import tax is going to be on Llama?
Right.
Just the risk alone, they're trying to hit us for 6 figures. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens. Customs, import tax, tariffs, the shipping cargo. The ship is moving very, very slow with his whole family on it. I mean, you got to think about the size of wrists. the toilets, the things that have been happening. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But hopefully my boy is back soon. Man, let my man enjoy vacay. Fuck. He'll be back soon. But P2P is still eating with my boy Coach in London or Asia, has been going crazy. Coach in the pre-market. Coach in the pre-market. Absolutely fucking insane. So even though P2P, my boy the Lama, ain't here, he is being represented very well by the best of the best, Big Daddy Coach. So make sure you guys lock in with my boy Coach because the representation is all right there. I know I braided my hair. I braided my fucking hair today because I thought Coach was going to be coming on the show. So I braided my, look at this.
Coach has been on a generational run.
My shit's twisted up clean. This guy just made a video saying he made $364 using a PHP indicator. That's pretty fire. Nice piece of content there. The camera's a little blurry, so you definitely need to invest. If you're going to be a content creator, you need to invest in quality camera quality, that's for sure. But overall, I mean, solid fucking work there, buddy. Solid work.
J-Holes, you keep posting that fucking thing. It's not Izzy. You keep posting the same thing over and over again.
We've seen him post it 10 times, bro. Actually, your awesome, best, amazing assistant Sam did the braids. It is true. My pale white, ghostly skinned assistant knows how to twist up like a sister. And I asked her, where did you learn this from?
Well, isn't she
bro, this is how unbelievably high class and white my assistant is. She said, I used to go to Boca Middle. Like Boca Raton was the dirty place where she learned how to braid. Which is actually pretty fucking funny. If anyone in South Florida hears that, they die laughing at that right now. She goes, I used to go to Boca Middle. Boca Middle. Yeah.
Anything Boca is considered high class compared to 99%.
Side twist, Moni. What's a full view of the braids? I don't know. Look. Shit's twisted up nice. My shit's twisted up. I know it's not Kodak Black, Moni, so, but it's nice. But it's nice. That whole clean. Hey, okay. Sam, you got approval from Moni. That whole clean. Bro, she hit me with the fucking floor. Have you been to Gallagher's? Yeah, I've gone to Gallagher's Steakhouse in Boca. I'm gonna shoot straight. It's okay. It's okay. It's a good steakhouse. For the price and for the quality. Not the best. Not the best. You can go right across the street to Abe and Louie's and get way better service, way better environment, and steak. Or you can go back towards the mall and hit Meat Market, which to me is always a banger. Meat Market right there is fire. Yeah, the one in NYC, it's not the same, bro. It's not the same. Those New York restaurants, it's the same thing as these Miami restaurants that they do little pop-ups in Palm Beach, and the pop-ups suck dick. And then you go to Miami and you're like, yo, this is not the same experience I had in fucking Palm Beach. You're like, this is not the same experience. So it just hits different. It just hits different. Someone sent Flow State. I like that out of you. I don't know what Flow State means, but thank you so much. Harry's in West Palm Beach. Look at that beef Wellington. Look at the amount of that brown drizzle. Look at that.
Pretty good. Damn, I'm hungry.
What are we doing? Did we do a giveaway? Oh, wait, that bitch Jess never came up. I'm kicking her ass out the show. Fuck you, Jess. Disconnect. Kick that hoe right off my show. I'm sitting here thinking, what the fuck's going on? Why are we not giving shit away? Here we go. 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 310, 330, 360, 375, 390, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 is Paper Street. Paper Street. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show, Paper Street. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. So what we're gonna do, Logan, when we go to Delray to pick up, I had my boy do some. Research.
Our new pews? You talking?
No. You know Tristan the Marine that's there.
Right.
You know I fuck with Tristan. He's been our connect. So what we're gonna do is Tristan's rocking like a 2022 19X as his personal carry, and I'm like, bro, why you got that old ass block? And he's like, you know, Old Faithful. And but he's like, you know, what I really would love, you know, I can't really afford that. So he's like, you know, I just bought a house, I got a kid on the way. He's just a good ass dude. He's a Marine vet. So I got the inside scoop. I texted my boy Pedro, and I was like, yo, can you find out for me what Tristan's like dream carry is? And I'm like, what's like his dream? And he found out it's the Staccato P. So when we go to pick up Nick, I need Nick there. Nick, we're gonna go squad deep. We're gonna go run an interview with him, and I'm gonna tell him I'm interviewing him for like just to show what he do some stuff, and he's gonna be like, fuck yeah. And we're gonna do all this stuff, but at the same time, he's not gonna know that I'm copping the P for him as a gift just for being a good dude and a veteran. So when we go back into the shop, he's just gonna be working, and all his boys, all the employees are gonna be there, and they're just gonna open up a fresh Staccato P, fully loaded, everything, acro top, light at the bottom, everything fully made, and my boy's gonna have his dream carry. Just for being a good dude, Marine vet, and because he's a fan of Big Daddy Max. And if you fuck with me, I fuck with you. So I told you guys I'm gonna start doing like some Hope Corps content. You know, I want to start like doing good things for people, good people. I want, you know, we that's part of our show. It's part of what we do. We help everyone here for free. We try and give back as much to the community for free. We try and do as much as we can. Dumbledore, come on up to the show, Dumbledore. And so we're gonna start doing it in real life too. I'm just gonna start all the good people I know. I'm just gonna start fucking hooking them up. And you know, some people just want different things. He said, I asked him, what would you know, do you need anything? And he's like, that's what he wanted. You know what I'm saying? So, and I think it's gonna be huge. So we're gonna start helping people out. Just listening to their stories. And it don't gotta be helping them out with like money, food. You know, obviously you could do that with people. I do a lot of that off camera. My boys know I do a lot of shit off camera. You know, when you want to help people, leave a tip here and there for 1,000, 2,000. You know, I don't film all that. You give a homeless person a couple $100, but that's not the content I want to create. I want to do something with like veterans and shit that I like too. So it's gonna be good. Logan hasn't gotten me no gifts yet. What's up with that? What is up with that, bro? You actually haven't gotten me shit, dog. Lama bought me this chain. Lama's bought me my MOT yacht. What have you really done for me? I bought you a custom German M Pizzle. I bought you the Canic too. Shit, I bought you a lot of shit. I bought his mom a lot of shit too.
Nobody fucking listened to a single thing that he is saying. I went out of my way to contact Lama to split the gift on this pistol. This handmade MOT that I paid also for. And when Lama ended it off to Max, Lama never said anything about me paying for most of it, half of it, right? Never said anything. I told Max about it. Max just laughed and said, oh. But then after them both knowing that I called them out, that I paid for the same amount Lama did. Lama still makes a whole fucking content video about him giving a gift to Max. Max makes a whole reply thanking Lama for it, while I didn't get a fucking thank you. I didn't get recognition for shit. None of it. So I'm never getting either of them a fucking thing for the rest of my life. Fuck that.
Bro, I didn't know that shit happened.
I'm not.
Don't blame me. Don't blame me.
You knew afterwards, and you still made content with Lama, thanking Lama only, after you knew that I paid for half of it.
He was the only one there.
That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter because Lama also schemed a whole fucking trip to go and see you.
That sounds like a you and Lama beef. Why I gotta suffer for why I gotta suffer for it? Someone said what? Whose idea was it to get? The original idea was Lama's.
That doesn't matter. And then I went out of my way to make sure that I could pay for half of it. And then Lama even hit me up later saying Lama added more to it and went out of his way to hit me up to pay him additional money for the additions we added to it.
Hey, don't be comparing your friends, Max. You give gifts to them. Have I gifted stuff to my boys?
Yeah, absolutely.
5 figures. 5 figures of gifts. Easy. Every time. I also don't let them pay for anything when they're with me because they're my boys. I refuse to let them pay for anything. I think it's disrespectful to not let me pay. And everyone knows if you're with me, you're first class all day, every day. You can tell Max gives the most fire. Bro, my gifts are crazy because it's just what I think is cool as fuck. And I find a piece of what I think is cool with like Logan, right? Logan being a Nazi is pretty cool. And so I got him an authentic German MP5 with the mustard German military color code. It's legit. It's what's issued. I just bought my brother Dan. He said his back's been hurting. I just bought him a very nice handmade mattress so his back would stop hurting because I said, I don't need your back hurting. I need you to work harder, you little bitch. And so I got my
thing, though. You're a gift giver. That's your thing. Like you like giving gifts.
You know what's the thing though, bro? I'm not. I'm literally not. I'm not a gift giver. I like to think of it as like I like doing things I like helping people. I like helping people. I don't just give gifts. Like I won't just give you a gift. But if I think it could help you and something that you like and hobby and need, I will do it. Lama is the only gift giving guy I know because, and I'm going to say this, I think gift giving for dudes is gay. I don't think men should give gifts. I think that's gay. I don't like when men say, "Oh, bro, I got you a gift." Like you're basically saying, "Oh, I want to fuck you," and I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. But now, right. But my brother, he needed a bed. His back's fucked up. Am I me buying him a bed to help his back? Is that a gift? No, I'm supporting my brother's health so he could do a better job. Listen, if you guys don't like it, I'm sorry. It is what it is. I was homeless and Max helped me when I was broke. Side note, he's been called the modern day Ron Jeremy. Oh, man. Chat. I mean, Ron Jeremy's packing. He's packing an absolute heater. You know, I'm definitely not the modern day Ron Jeremy. Big Daddy Max, very small. Ron Jeremy, very big.
My thing right now is like I order a lot of DoorDash if I don't want to eat my meal prep. And anytime there's somebody who's delivering my food who's over the age of like 50, I tip them $100 every time. If they're DoorDash, they're old, I give them $100.
Chiyuba, come up to the stage. Chiyuba, come on up to the stage. Josie, come up to the stage. Somebody come up to the fucking stage.
Melting 50 ATR and the market.
T Jones, come up to the stage. Bro, I've been called up 7 people. If none of these people come up, I'm just going to run the rest of them on the tube. I'm just going to run the rest of them on the YouTube. Raheem, 4.99 dono. Thank you as always, my daily king, Raheem. Ladies and gentlemen, we got one. Welcome to the stage, Josie. Wrong gamer tag, Josie. Josie,
I
what I need.
know, sorry.
No
Thank you.
problem. You have a camera?
I don't know. I'm on my mobile phone. I am sorry. Hello.
Where you from, Shawty?
From West London in the UK.
Oh.
So,
Okay,
just trying to see if I can get my phone to work. Sorry,
there
apologies.
you go. It works. There you go.
There you go. I can't see you because I'm on my phone, so I'm not quite sure how to do it. So
That's no
I'm
problem.
probably looking
No,
like I'm a bit embarrassed because I wasn't expecting to do this today. So
That's no problem, Josie. I just need you to do one more thing for me, Mama. You know how to adopt a server tag. We just need you to
I
adopt
do.
the Max Options Trading server tag, MOT. You know, if you fuck with us, we fuck with you. T Jones, I don't know what you're doing. If you could just
I got a piss.
go a couple
I
more
don't
minutes.
what. I don't know how to adopt a server tag. How do I do that?
Josie, what I need you to do is just
I
click
don't know
on,
how to change it.
you can click on the MOT tag on any of the people, or you can click on the top left of the server. There's a Max Options Trading drop down, and then right there, bang at the top, it says server tag. You just click that.
Okay, let's have a look.
Yeah, we just want to get you, we just want to make sure you're representing the greatest community in the world, Big Daddy Max Options Trading.
Oh goodness. Server emoji. No. I have no idea what I look like. I do apologize. I don't know where it is. I'm in where is it? I'm in the community bit. Is it in there? Is it? Because I can see
You can
leave
also click
server,
on, you can
edit
click on
server
anyone's name
profile.
too. If you see anyone's name, you can click on their tag to be able to hit adopt tag.
Oh, can I? Okay, let's have a look.
Come on, Josie. You're a smart British woman.
I am. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Yeah, I'm not of the younger generation. As much as I remember having to do C// whatever on a PC when you started them off at school. But
Josie,
naturally telling
you're not that much older than how old are you?
mid-40s. In fact, it was my birthday
Josie,
this
you're
time
like
last
8
week.
years fucking older than me.
I
Stop acting like
know.
you're some old grandma. You're not even that old. You're fucking 8 years older than me. You're just
I
a
know.
little retarded. Come on, you got this.
I'm
Get
not.
down.
I'm just flustered. You flustered me. I heard my
What do
name and you flustered me. I'm
what do you mean by that?
apologetic.
What does that mean in British when you tell someone you
Flustered.
flustered them?
Not fluffing, flustered.
You know what fluffing is?
I do know what fluffing is, yes.
You're a
But
dirty fucking broad.
no, flustered means embarrassed, kind of caught me off guard. Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
nothing wrong with that. You gonna change that server tag?
I have done. I have adopted the new tag, so it should be on there.
I don't see it.
Nope.
No. Let me try again.
This guy on
I
the
did.
YouTube is fucking
I clicked adopt tag a couple of times. I
see.
see. Do I need to do it on here?
Yeah, probably.
Adopt tag. It's a server tag. Oh, I see. There we go.
Yeah, the YouTube is okay.
Perfect.
Come on.
There
There
we
it is, baby. MOT. Congratulations, Josie. Hey, you just won yourself Lucid Loot Box. Have you been trading?
I have been actually. Yes, I have just passed 2 Apex accounts today.
Congratulations. That's amazing.
Yeah. Yes. So
Very nice job.
nearly didn't. I was nearly out because I have a limit of $700, and then it closes out the account, so I don't kind of completely blow things up.
And then you wind up passing them. What happened?
I don't know. I calmed down and looked at the market and thought, oh, I think it's going to go this way, and I knew it was going to keep coming down, but it kept on catching me out. I'm not very good when it kind of ranges.
Right.
So it kept on catching me out. I didn't have my stop in a high enough position. So I knew it was going down, but it kept on popping back up again and taking me out. So I didn't want to lose so much. Giant raspberries. Yes, I'm online, darling. I will have a giant raspberry. Thank you very much. So that's my daughter.
No problem at all.
So yeah, I knew it was going to keep going down for a while, and as I said, I was in a trade and it kept popping up and taking me out, but I was determined to go in. So I was going to go in with a different, because I've got a couple of doubles of groups that I'm going in with, and stuck with it and thought, no, I'm going to go in, and I've just passed it. So which
That
is
is
good.
massive. Congratulations, Josie. That's huge.
Thank
And now
you.
you got yourself a Lucid loot box for the chance to win up to 100K direct to funded.
Wow. Thank you. So what do I do from now? I'm not too
You
sure.
open up a support ticket, and the mods will take care of you from there.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You are absolutely welcome. It is a pleasure.
Thank
And thank
you.
you for your support, Josie. We love seeing
No,
you.
no, thank you. And I enjoy actually coming in for the power hour as well, which is quite good. So I kind of,
You like
yeah.
Luca. You like Luca. Luca's good.
Luca, no, I quite like Harvey. I like the way he trades.
Oh, Power Hour. Power Hour.
Power hour. What did I say? Did I say the wrong one?
I thought you said London.
No, not London. No, Power hour. I try and nip into that because generally I'm working, so it's a bit easier to do sort of afternoon and evening if I'm home. So
So you like Javi on the Power Hour?
I do like Harvey on the Power hour.
Yeah,
That's right.
right. Nothing else is really worth watching. On the Power Hour.
That's it.
No, it's good.
I just watched
I know,
Power
and I know we've got Logan as well on the Power hour as well. So
yeah, but
Never.
compared to Javi, he's shy.
Harvey's a little bit more calculated. Logan can be a little bit more degen
I'm not calculated.
Logan's a full-blown fucking degen, right? I agree. And Javi's calculated.
How am I not calculated?
No,
Okay.
Hey, you're absolutely correct, Josie. You're absolutely correct. That is brutal.
There's a reason we won the Revolutionary War.
British honesty. Thank you, Josie. We appreciate that.
Fucking
I know.
redcoats.
Well, case in point, on Friday, Harvey hit the point perfectly of when it was going to come back down again at the very
And has
end.
Logan ever done that? Probably
And
not.
Logan said, "I'm just going." He'd done all his accounts, and I think he set up another one. And then he said, "I'm just going down. I don't care what happens." And I think it took him a minute. So.
So you got Javi. He's calling out exact targets. He's precise. He's doing. And then Logan says, "All right, I'm going in. It's going down. I don't give a fuck what happens."
Yeah.
We're gonna have to reassess the situation there.
Well, no, that was only one bit. He is quite good otherwise. So
No, I think I should stop doing the Power Hour. I think she's right. I think I should stop doing the Power Hour.
no,
No.
you just want more time to yourself, don't you?
All right. This morning I didn't call out anything.
Logan has to log into the Power Hour this morning, and he has to absolutely YOLO an account precisely. Let one 100% red. Did he say red coats? You fucking
I did.
How? Miss Josie, you're absolutely wonderful.
I know. Yeah, I know.
Congratulations on the win.
As I said, you've called me flustered, and yeah, I go very red. So it's my Bavarian German skin. So it's all good.
Perfect.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Josie. You have a good one. Open a support ticket.
Yeah, will do. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. T Jones. Look at that orb trade. Oh my god. What's going on?
What's going on, man?
What kind of hat is that?
It's I'm not even sure. One of the surfer hats is really flimsible, so I could like fold it up, get it out the way.
Oh, you fold it up.
Yeah,
Not bad.
like the Fresh Prince.
Where you at right now?
I'm out in Portland, Oregon. I'm from Arizona originally, but
Ooh,
yeah.
Portland.
I'm in like the Hillsboro area.
Oof. What do you do out there?
I do paint and body work for
Paint
fleet
and body.
vehicles.
Fleet vehicles. So like for big commercial, like driving companies that have tractor trailers.
That's it. Mainly Amazon.
Oh fuck yeah! There you go. I mean, that's definitely a good fleet one to be connected to.
Oh yeah, for sure. There's lots of work. Lots of work.
Yeah, the fleet is. Yeah, I thought it was like some kind of Russian hat or some kind of like maybe like Black Power thing.
Oh no, I think it's like more California. It's all beat up. I get dust, so it gets dirty, and yeah, I wash it and all that. But
Yeah.
it's all beat up though, so it's a
How
work
long,
cat.
how long have you been working with this Amazon gig?
So it's a fairly new company. I've been with them for 2 years.
Nice. Nice. I like that. And are you a trader?
Yes.
How's that been going?
So I've been trading for about like 4 months. Well, I guess I can't really call myself a trader because I'm still kind of like figuring it out. So I've passed maybe 3 evals. I still have 2 of them currently active. So I'm just kind of taking it day by day and just trying to figure it out.
That's pretty good. That's exactly what you got to do. It's not a rush. There's no fucking race here. It's a marathon. Did you say your hat was flimsable?
Yeah, like you can fold it up and yeah.
Right, 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 right. Um, is flimsable a word?
Flimsy, bendable, yeah, I consider it. Yeah, I guess, yeah,
So you put flexible and flimsy together, and you called it
yeah,
flimsable.
yeah, yeah.
Flimsable, and that's nice. I like the creativity. I like to create a lot of words too. I put a lot of words together. The flimsable is retard. I mean, that's
You're welcome to adopt it if you need it, wherever it
I
fits
might
in.
I might use it. I might throw it into trading somehow. Be like, wow, these candles are looking real flimsable. Even flimsicle, I think is a word. Flimsicle.
Hey, there you go.
Yeah, not bad, not bad. That's some go to shit. So, here's what we need to do. You're fairly new into trading. Have you been trading with Lucid?
I haven't tried Lucid. I tried the funded futures and
Nice,
Apex.
nice, nice. Definitely
Mhm.
worth trying. Lucid's pretty solid work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw you one of these loot boxes, and with the loot boxes, you are going to roll for it, and you can get any account, totally random. So it's one of the best in the game, and their firm is unbelievable. So definitely give them a shot. Make a Lucid account, guys. If you actually don't even have a Lucid account, you don't have to buy anything. But for these loot boxes, just go sign up. Just go sign up at Lucid. Just make an account, and then you pop them. You can pop these fucking loot boxes quick. So um, flimsable. Yeah, yeah, flimsable. That's the flimsable. I feel like that's something that no, I'm just thinking of flimsy.
Yeah, it bends but doesn't break.
Bends but doesn't break. Is there anything else you could think of off the top of your head that bends but doesn't break?
Ooh, yeah, there's a number of things, but
I'll give you
we're
one that
gonna yeah,
yeah, I'll give you
we're
one
gonna
right
leave
off
those
the
as thoughts.
get-go. I'll give you one right off the get-go. Logan's dick bends to the left.
Man,
What do you think about that?
I am honestly speechless that you know those details about Logan.
Yeah, I went to the porta potty with him once in the casino, and he just was next to me in the stall, and I just took a peek, just took a quick peek. Logan's very straight edge, so when he goes to the bathroom, he stares directly at the wall 4 inches in front of him, and he does not divert his eyes. And so, because he doesn't want to get caught looking, but while he's doing that, I'll stare right at his shit. So, um, I'll stare right at his shit. So it's perfectly good. Looks good. You bringing it in? It's that fire? Hold on, no sauce. My boy, congratulations! You just won a Lucid box. Do me a solid, open up a support ticket, and good luck on your pull.
Will do. Thank you guys.
Thank you, brother. You have a great day.
You too.
Do we have how many do we have left? A straw can bend it out. Give me the damn. Bro, the chef made empanadas, and Dan had to bring one in because he said they're that good. It's burning hot. Burning hot. What do you mean it don't need sauce? What kind of an empanada doesn't need sauce? It's wet? Is it burning hot? Oh wow. He's got like a meat with some tomato, cilantro, pepper, bean. Mm. Oh God. This makes me want to vote for fucking liberals. Mm. We don't need a wall. We don't need a wall. Oh yeah, that's juicy. Sauce would ruin this. Sauce would ruin this. Oh, it's hot. How many loot boxes do we have left? I'm dropping one more. I don't care. Code word loot box on the YouTube is live. Yeah, that shit was fire. Oh my god. It was delicious. Great job. What are you eating? Tuna and rice with a big fucking spoon?
No, I'm still eating my shitty ass protein waffles.
It's one of those meals where it's just like
it fucking tastes like cardboard, and I chase it
Yeah.
with a coffee.
An iced latte, you mean? Don't call that a coffee. Don't
It's
call
cold
your
brew.
don't
Cold brew.
call your fucking iced latte a
Cold
coffee.
brew. Cold brew with some type of foam on it, but it's cold
What's
brew.
the difference between a cold brew and an iced coffee?
I have no fucking clue, to be honest with you. I don't know shit about coffee. I just know what tastes good and what has more caffeine in it.
The only difference is the time in which the water runs through the beans, I believe. Is it
What
rare
has-
that I won 5 accounts in giveaways in 6 months of me being here? You're definitely hitting. You're definitely hitting. There's been people here from over a year that haven't won yet. So you're definitely hitting. Who's been here the longest and has not won anything? I wonder. Nick, you got this job still. That's pretty big. Emma, Anarchy, I sent you a fucking $1,300 Charizard like a month ago. I sent Anarchy a $1,300 Charizard. Boom. Who's here? All right, who's been the longest? Let's look. Hold on. You've been here since June of 25. All right, so Tony G's June of 25. That's pretty big. April, notorious to me.
You're a tanker,
April
but love
of
you, Maxi.
25.
Anyways,
That's pretty
thanks,
big.
Logan.
Kaneki, February 8th, 25. Oh, that's got to be the lead. Does anybody got February 8th beat?
24. Joke's on you. You have to say no. That's not possible.
And Ryan's won before. He's an idiot. I think, does the first MOT count? Wow, that's fire. No.
No, it's January 4th of 2020.
Ryan, yes, you have. Ryan, you have not won anything. Not one account, not nothing. You're willing to put your life on the line on that. If you've won anything and we pull the logs, we could control F. We have every giveaway logged. Anyway, thanks, Logan. Fuck you. Yeah, I have. My bad. Yeah, fuck you. It's dumb. I think this person is the winner. Who's that bitch? Teddy's been here since 1929.
You don't have an MOT tag, you're never going to win one.
Who was it?
February 12th of 2024. We're talking, it has to be January of 2025 is the earliest it would go back.
Yeah, this guy right here, Pale Rider, January 25th, 2025.
You need to show me in person. She actually
No
say
way.
that?
Wait, is that real? She just hit me back in that?
Slide in.
What's going on, Max, Logan?
What's going on?
More important thing look into. 1 second.
Yeah, I need you to shut the hell up for 1 second. Did she say that?
Far more important.
So tell me, Big Daddy. No, I think we got buffed. I don't see that.
QYM.
That's a fake reply. That's a fake reply.
Oh fuck, gotta go, JK. I should fucking time you out for a year for that.
Who did that?
This is YM Go. Dude's always a fucking troll.
It was a good troll. He got us. He got us. I'll slap the shit out of you. Don't ever play with me like that. I was about to book a ticket to Australia. Me and Logan had to go to Australia to disappoint a woman.
Yeah. Wouldn't be the first time I've traveled.
You've been here with us since we reopened. We reopened January 4th, 2025. And you've been fucking with us since, or you've been taking breaks? What's the real truth here?
So I've been fucking with you guys for a hot minute. I think before the Discord started, found you on Instagram. I even DM'd you a couple times on there. I've kind of come and gone. I got laid off for about 6 months, and I hung out with you guys every day and started building some stuff. Went back to work, so I only get to stop in for like happy hour or power hour. So, but now I'm back sitting at the house and working on some things, hanging out with you guys.
Good shit, bro. Good shit. That's a long time for you to support us and rock with us. That's badass. That's badass. We appreciate that.
You're
So,
still not getting anything, but you know, it's
yeah,
good
we're not
that
going to give you anything. I don't want you to think we're going to give you anything. That's a long time of support. We appreciate that. But you know what? Actually, what we're going to do, we're going to throw you the loot box, and I'm going to throw you a 50K account. And so you're going to guarantee get yourself a 50K account on the minimum, and we'll throw you the loot box. So you get 2. Thank you for being a longtime supporter. Keep hanging out, coming back with us. That's awesome. So we appreciate you. We appreciate that.
Absolutely. I appreciate you guys. Taught me a lot. And to be honest, I wish I would have got the courses, but just hanging out, listening, and watching you guys teaches a lot more than you would realize.
Hell yeah. That's awesome. That's so badass. Good shit, brother. Well, congratulations on the dub. And no one here is ever going to be a loser in my fucking. So we're gonna take care of that. Everyone will win eventually. You're the oldest one right now who hasn't. We're knocking it on the board.
I appreciate you guys. Absolutely.
Hell yeah, brother. You have a wonderful day. Congratulations. Open up a support ticket.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a great day. Be safe.
You too, my man.
later.
I just got invited by the CBOE bell ringing in Chicago by one of these companies. Oh my God. All right.
And last year, February, March, more or less, I've gotten 2 accounts, and most importantly, have the most I've learned about trading in here. You guys are awesome.
And Alex said, "Don't be short under this."
Hello.
Paper.
Hello.
Hey, brother, I tried to call you up like fucking 10 hours ago.
Jesus God, I'm sorry, Max.
It's all right, brother, but you know the deal from here, right?
What's that, Max?
Can't give you nothing, twin.
Shit. It's all right, dude. It's all right. I'm enjoying the stream. I've been with y'all 7 months watching daily, man. I appreciate the hell out of y'all. I got Logan's course before it doubled. Just appreciate it. Going through some life shit and just appreciate the company and the instruction, guys.
That's it. You're a fucking legend. Keep going,
Thanks,
baby.
man.
Next time we get you, you'll definitely be a winner.
4,100 up on the 6 fundeds I got this morning catching that dump with y'all.
Fuck,
Let's
nice.
go.
Nice. Let's go. Good shit, bro.
Yes, sir. Strat 1. I got a very small L. And yeah, I just used the without dumping sauce or anything, our go-to strats with Logan.
Follow up, baby.
Wrote that
Right.
shit down, man.
If one don't work, the follow-up will.
Yes, sir.
Good shit, man. Really good shit. Good day. Congratulations.
Thanks, man. It's cool I got picked after all this time, but hey, it's cool. If the window passed or whatever, appreciate y'all.
Appreciate you, my man.
All right,
Maybe,
later, guys.
Logan will show you his tits.
All right.
He's like, I'm not about that gay shit, dog. But thank you. but thank you. Very nice. What a show. Great day. Great day, great show. I mean, and there's really nothing else to do here, guys. We did it. And we're done. We're done. We did it. Wham Goat, forgive me. I'm sorry, Max. I thought that would have been funny. No, it wasn't funny. It was hurtful. I was genuinely excited that one of the hottest women I've ever cranked my monkey to a million times was talking to. You're very rude. You're very rude. But good shit today, chat. Guys, I gotta tell you, is one of the best. One of the best. And remember, nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We're filming the Big Daddy Morning Show for entertainment purposes. NFA, it is the greatest fucking show in the world, presented by the Max Options Trading Network. If you want to learn how to trade like Logan, the CSO, baby, you can always tap into his course or the PHP indicator, where he's always trading live with his students. If you guys don't forget about P2P as well, Pay to Play University. Make sure you guys lock in with Pay to Play University, Lama, Coach, pre-market, and everything that the P2P world has got to offer. Don't fucking slip or forget about Pay to Play University. If you want to learn the Max way, how we're just absolutely disgusting eating off of candles in the morning, that's the Mastermind, baby. Mastermind, everything, all in, futures one. Great day, unbelievable job. Thank you guys for all the donations. Congratulations to all the winners. Tap into the sick ass indicators we have helping people daily. Check out the coaching sessions and make sure you guys tip the staff. Tip the staff, buy them a cup of coffee. Amazing donations today, guys. It's been absolutely lovely. So you guys have been killing the game. And then, as always, we got Trading Wheels in 45 minutes, followed up by the Power Hour with the boys, the Traders and Haters podcast, and we slide right back into Happy Hour with Coach. Sliding into Coach is one of my favorite things to do. So make sure you guys locked in. We have a whole day of great programming for you. A lot of giveaways, a lot of fun as we continue rocking the #1 motherfucking free network in the game, baby. Tap in. We appreciate you. We love you. If you fuck with us, we fuck with you. Unbelievable day. And the only thing that we ask is, if you're going to support us, guys, and buy a prop, why not buy a prop with code BDM? Code BDM. I'm really out here trading my fucking life away. Logan, Hobby, all of us, every day for you guys for free. And all we need for you to do is, if you're going to buy a prop, just use code BDM to support the #1 team, so we can keep giving back. So we can keep giving back to people and helping people out. That's it. So wonderful Tuesday. A wild full day of programming coming ahead. Big Daddy Logan.
Teachers, healthcare workers, first responders, veterans, active duty. Guys, don't forget you have 50% off if you want to buy my course. You're a teacher, healthcare worker, first responder, or anything like that. 50% off. Besides that, easy money, easy trading. See you guys for Power Hour. Later.
Peace. Hannah K. Kick fire on them hoes, baby. We love y'all. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Coffee steam and a green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Reaching price levels, lighting up the channel. First 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's shorting on sight. Let's go.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Gospel in the game. Holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo.
Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
He's all in with a grin.
if it cracks that floor,
He's dancing out again. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow. Gospel in the game. Hallelujah, holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Oh. Candles talk, what they saying? They say trend strong, y'all keep praying. Which shout, what they showing? They show turnarounds, time to get going. Red to green, congregation stands. Green to red, they clap their hands. Even in a loss, they sing that song. Right edge, right wrist, we'll be strong. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the buckets grow. Gospel in the game on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo! Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Ain't it in the chat when the trend takes hold? Most entertaining show on the internet.